It looks very much like that.
Good afternoon, guys. It's day one in Varanasi, and my dear husband is already ill, and he's sneezing, he's coughing, not that much, but yes, he is, and now he has fever.
Yeah. I don't feel well.
So let's hope we vlog something. Plan for today is to go to Barbecue Nation and have something good. And we were so excited for this one, but Shahbaz is pretty ill, but we'll still go. But I don't think we will be enjoying that much. I hope.
Will.
No, I hope you will too, because दवा तो ले ली ना तुमने. Inshallah, he'll be fine. Let's see.
Here's your message.
Hey Siri,
Okay.
can you message my wife?
What is your wife's name?
Meri patni.
What do you want to say?
Hello wife.
That's wrong. उसने थोड़ी देर पहले पूछा था. Which one?
Your message to Mary Putney says, "Hello, wife. That's wrong with the weather. Which one?"
Which one?
Send it.
Yeah.
No. I hate
Okay,
you, Shahbaz.
it's sent.
Which
No.
one? Which one?
Hey guys. So today I've not been well. Not at all. I feel a little bit better now. Oh, my hair looks nice. I feel a little bit better, and now we're ready. We're ready to go Barbecue Nation. I've been hearing so many good things about this in terms of food, and as you all probably know by now, I love food so much.
And I don't. I'm not a foodie person. I just eat for living. But he eats for.
I live to eat.
Oh, yeah.
Yes. Anyway, first, I am in dire need of a haircut, even though it looks nice right now. I think so, anyway. And I need my beard done. Yes. So we're gonna go do that. And yes, we'll be back when we get to Barbecue Nation.
Wait, you're talking. Shahbaz got his haircut done.
Yes. My haircut done. What do you think, guys? Comment down below.
So funny.
Is it better now? Or is it better before?
No, it's better now.
Definitely better.
So clean. Yeah. So guys, we are celebrating Shahbaz's birthday. Shahbaz's 27th birthday. Shahbaz, happy birthday.
Thank you.
You're 27 now.
Abla. Go.
Woo!
Hello guys. I thought I was a little bit better yesterday, but you know how things like fevers and all that, they rise in the night. So I'm not feeling too well today. I think me personally, I'm gonna take the day to relax because we have a dinner party to attend in the evening. So I don't want to be too ill for that. But yeah, pray for me. I don't want to be ill for the rest of my time. Zinger burger.
Zinger burger.
Yes.
What's the difference?
The bun.
The bun?
Yeah, it's more crunchy. It's nicer.
So it's more good, better than London or not? It is. Wow. So we are at KFC, guys. Shahbaz is pretty much ill. We'll be going to doctor. We can't record. We are not shooting that much, but we'll be back soon. We are soon traveling to Lucknow. Yes. And inshallah, Shahbaz will be fine by then. Inshallah.
Pray for me.
Hey guys, what's up? Shahbaz is feeling much better today,
Yes.
so we plan to go to my salon. We have a salon, so we are going there for some manicure, pedicure, basically a pampering day.
Yeah, it's much needed.
Oh, I live in Mohalla kind of thing, gully lanes. So we're supposed to take rickshaw to get to the car. So we are on our way soon back. That's it. Hey Shahbaz,
And
what are you having?
aloo tikki burger.
How's it?
I give it a solid 8 out of 10.
Okay, not bad. Aloo tikki burger is a basic burger.
Yeah.
आज आपने क्या करवाया वैसे? It was a pampering day for him, especially for him.
She feels like I have baby skin.
Wow. And
Yeah.
you did
I
your
manicure,
facial,
pedicure.
manicure, pedicure. How was it?
Relaxing.
Relaxing? You love? Nice. And I did my haircut. Ooh, that looks nice. So chop my hair from hair to hair. That's too much. Yeah, I curled it. Enjoying your burger. That's good.
You should have yours too.
Yeah, okay.
I haven't been able to have food proper
Since
in like. No, I've been able to have food, but not much. But the point is, I haven't been able to taste food because when you're ill, your taste buds are just
yeah.
gone. So not like you taste.
Don't talk and eat. Okay. Peace out.
Okay, Mom.
जब इतना खाने वाले खराब हो गई थी मगर वो खा रहे तो उसको मैं समझ नहीं गया पाँच दिन हुआ था कल हमें बस में आ गया था वो रेशा मैंने भी ये करवाया था खिला दूँ ये रहा